Hi, Alan Stratton here from CostMatters.com. I love helping businesses model their operation to improve profit by finding where they are losing money and don't know it. It is very rewarding both to my customers and to myself. Concepts and principles embedded in activity-based cost are an excellent guide in this process. A while ago, I worked closely with a software company who provided modeling software. I helped the company's clients create their business models. There were several other associates working similar issues with the software company. Modeling projects required two major aspects: leading teams to discover and define relationships and integrating data from customer systems into the modeling environment. Business modeling uses a lot of data to define and express important relationships. Both aspects are value-adding and personally rewarding. Leading the client teams was always different, as each client was different. Very interesting work. But my associates and I found we were using similar data integration processes over and over again. A common term for this work is extract, transform, or load, or ETL. Each of my associates and I developed almost a library of standard routines and techniques to manage data so that it could be used in models. It seemed like a perfect opportunity for the software company's development team to get in and standardize. I approached the software engineers with the problem and the advantages to our customers. It seemed like a perfect opportunity to help customers add value and reduce the effort required to model their businesses. I was shocked by the engineers' response. If we did this, then you and the others would not have as much work to do. It would reduce customer consulting revenue. While both statements are initially true, they missed the mark. It would reduce the work that we did in data manipulation, and yes, it would reduce consulting revenue. However, data manipulation was a major hurdle for clients to overcome. Ongoing data management and its expense caused many clients to discontinue their modeling efforts. If this effort could be minimized and accomplished by less expensive personnel, how much more revenue from new clients and ongoing support could have been realized to the software company? How much more customer satisfaction could have been achieved? How much more time could we as consultants then spend helping clients benefit more from the model, integrate good costing concepts, make better decisions, and make more money? From my own point of view, while I enjoyed the data manipulation, leading teams to discover relationships and use model outputs was much more personally satisfying. I would be willing to forego ETL revenue in order to expand effort in these other more value-adding areas. Our efforts were not useless. They were value-adding to the customers. They were willing to pay for it. But, paraphrasing Peter Drucker, there may be nothing so useless as earning revenue where we should not be earning at all. What is best for the supplier should also be best for the customer. So what are you doing very efficiently that should not be done at all? Please share below this post at CostMatters.com. When cost matters, profits soar. I'm Alan Stratton from CostMatters.com. Thank you.